Let's now have a look at the real-life NFT example, the Surge Passport NFT. I will tell you a little bit more about what the team that created the entire collection had to take into consideration when creating it. So, as we talked before, we basically said that an NFT is a token that is created by a smart contract and it's also linked to a digital asset. But actually, when it comes to the planning of a launch and the creation of the entire infrastructure, it is not as easy as it seems. The team had to come up with a minting page, a decentralized app that users like you and me were able to connect to mint, so to create their unique NFTs. Second of all, they really had to think about the infrastructure because, as you probably know, whenever minting is announced, when it starts, a lot of people are trying to do it at the same time. And this creates a huge traffic on the website. And it's really important to make sure that the website will not collapse. It will not go down when everyone all at once is trying to perform the same action. Then they also had to create the generative art algorithm that allowed the creation of multiple unique stylized images. And lastly, of course, the smart contract. Basing on the foundation of an ERC standard, the team came up with their specific implementation for creation and management of the Surge Passport NFTs, trying to make sure that everyone has the most seamless experience. So now let's actually talk about why does it make sense to own an NFT? Well, first of all, it can serve as your Web3 identity. And it allows you to manage it and use it across multiple different platforms. And if you remember, NFTs are unique. So nobody really can copy it and impersonate you in the digital space. Second of all, many NFTs and also Surge Passport NFT gives you access to different discounts and services on the platforms. And in terms of the perks dashboard from Surge NFT, it is actually continuously enriched with new offers that you can continuously use if you own one of the Surge tokens. So let's actually have a look at the perks dashboard and let's see how we can actually claim one of the perks. Following the link from the slide, we landed on the perks.surgewomen.io dashboard, where you can see the overview of the available services, discounts that you can claim if you own a Surge NFT. And let's now try to claim one of the perks. And through that, I will show you how this website can actually check if you own an NFT and how it can check if it's actually you that is trying to claim the perk. So let's click on the C4, which gives you a discount for some educational services. And as you can see, I have to log in to register. And what this website, Premint.xyz, will do is that it will check if I own an NFT and also if I'm following Learn More with C4 on Twitter. So I will click on Login to register, and it will suggest me to log in with a wallet. I will use MetaMask. And what is happening here is that I'm connecting my accounts, and I can see that Premint will be able to see address, account balance, activity, and also suggest transactions to approve. So I agree with that. I can connect. And here, as you can see, I am signing a message, which for the Premint is the only way they can truly know that I am the owner of the wallet that is being connected. We will talk more about wallets and addresses and signing and transactions in the next video. So for now, think of it as proving your identity, and later on we will understand the details that are happening behind the scenes. So let's sign. And I'm going back to Premint. And as you can see here, this is what the Premint will check. What I can also select is the account that I want to connect with. So this should be my address. And in this case, this is my address that I'm using. And I can click to register. And what I forgot is to provide my email. Well done, which is this. And now we can click to register again. And as you can see, the process went through each step. So the NFT, the Twitter, and also the email. And I'm successfully registered now for the C4 perk. And I should receive the details on my email directly. So as you can see, this process is pretty smooth, pretty easy to understand, as long as you follow the conditions that you have to meet in order to claim the perk.